Hey there! I'm supposed to do a video about some switches I bought on Taobao, but fate had other plans. It all started a few days ago when I saw a listing of Durock T1 switches on Facebook. I've used Durock T1 tactile switches before when I first started using mechanical keyboards, and it was one of my favorite tactile switches until I settled with my go-to Harimaus. So anyway, I did a quick search for Durock T1 silent tactile switches, and Durock T1 silent shrimp tactile switches came up. It was listed for 270 Malaysian ringgit or $61 on AliExpress for 90 pieces, so I thought I'd try my luck to buy these on Taobao instead. Another quick search, and I found the same switches on Taobao and managed to get these for 240 ringgit, meaning I saved about 30 Malaysian bucks, which is equivalent to a Big Mac value meal with 6 chicken McNuggets. Waited for a week and here they are. So before I opened the box, I recorded a few typing tests on my current keyboards just to make a comparison, and then it was time to open the box. So here it is. There we go. These switches look different from what was on the website, yo. Well, I guess they're silent, but I opened the product link on Taobao and I confirmed that the switches I got weren't the shrimp switches I ordered. So anyway, went on to Taobao, used Google Translate Sensei to write, "Yo, you gave me the wrong switches, bruh," and messaged the seller. The seller was kind enough to confirm that they did make a mistake by sending Durock T1 Dolphin silent linear switches instead. They then said they were gonna send the correct switches, so everything's cool. You guys should buy more stuff from this seller. JKDK Keycap Store, I think. They chat in English too. So anyway, I packed the switches back into the box and don't think I'd be reviewing them since I'm not a linear person. I'll just have to wait for the shrimps to arrive. TLDR, I got the wrong switches and the seller's gonna send me the correct ones. All in all, it was a nice shopping experience on Taobao even with zero Chinese language knowledge, and yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Goshito ariga thanks!